2026 Jeep Wagoneer rumor shock. Is a new EV or inline-6 engine coming? Rumors surrounding the 2026 Jeep Wagoneer have just exploded, with insiders suggesting a massive upgrade is on the horizon. From whispers of electrification to a sleeker, more refined design, the next-gen Wagoneer could be Jeep's boldest luxury SUV yet. But the biggest shock? A possible inline-6 twin-turbo engine replacing the classic V8, or even a fully electric Wagoneer EV in the works. Here's what we know so far.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to AutoSpectre, your gateway to automotive excellence.
According to early reports, Jeep is planning to overhaul the Wagoneer lineup in 2026, with a focus on performance, efficiency, and luxury. While the current model is known for its size and power, the new version might lean into lighter construction and better fuel economy, possibly with help from the newly developed Hurricane Inline-6 engine. That would mean more horsepower than the V8, but with fewer emissions and better mileage. And that's not all. There's growing speculation that Jeep is working on a Wagoneer EV variant, a bold move in response to the surging luxury electric SUV market. If true, the electric version could feature dual-motor all-wheel drive, over 300 miles of range, and serious off-road capability. This would make the 2026 Wagoneer the first fully electric full-size SUV under the Jeep badge. In terms of design, leaked renderings hint at a sleeker front fascia, updated LED lighting, and a slightly more aerodynamic profile, all while maintaining the commanding presence Wagoneer fans love. Inside, expect an even more upscale cabin, with new tech like an expanded Uconnect system, hands-free driving features, and high-end materials throughout. Jeep clearly wants this to be a top-tier luxury SUV contender. Pricing is fine. Pricing is expected to see a slight bump, starting around $72,000 for the base model and potentially reaching $100,000 plus for higher trims or electrified versions. Jeep is reportedly planning to offer both hybrid and electric options, which could widen the appeal and provide more flexible pricing tiers depending on the chosen drivetrain and tech packages. The official unveiling of the 2026 Wagoneer could happen as early as late 2025, likely at an event like the Detroit Auto Show, where Jeep often reveals its biggest updates. Deliveries are expected to begin by spring 2026, though pre-orders could open much sooner, depending on how quickly Jeep decides to move on the buzz. This could be one of the most pivotal Wagoneer releases in decades.